Hey there, this is your science teacher, and today we will learn about health and safety. In this topic, you will learn we should be aware of danger when we are near animals and water. We should wash our hands before eating, drinking. We should be careful when using machines and electricity. Loud noises can damage our hearing. We need to look after our body. Healthy living requires eating a balanced diet, keeping clean, getting a good night's sleep, and exercise regularly. Machines work better and for longer if they are looked after properly. Machines that are not used for a long time become rusty. Your body is like a machine, but it can mend itself. If you cut yourself, the wound will heal if it kept clean. To keep the body working well, we have to look after it properly. Good food, plenty of exercise, fresh air, enough sleep, and clean habits all help the body to last long time. As you all know, exercise makes the bone and muscle strong. It also leads to better health and keep the people feel good. Some exercises such as walking or playing in a playground requires little effort. And the other exercises such as running, playing sports or swimming fast is more vigorous. It makes our heart, lungs and muscles work harder. Well, we need to eat a balanced diet to stay healthy. A balanced diet is eating a wide variety of food in the right amounts. Here is a guide to the amount of bread, rice and grains, meat, fish, nuts and eggs, milk and dairy products, fruits and vegetables, and fats and sugar we should eat. Sleep and rest. Your body and your brain need rest. When you sleep well, we feel refreshed. An 8-year-old usually needs about 10 hours of every night. If you do not get enough sleep, your body and your brain can be affected. You may feel grumpy, unable to concentrate, and not have much energy. The world around us is a pleasant place, but it can be dangerous too. It is important for us to look carefully before we do anything. For example, fireworks are beautiful to look at, but they can cause many injuries. At home, electricity is very useful. It gives us light and heat. It makes many things work. Electricity is very powerful. An electric shock can kill human. This is why all electrical machines and wires are covered with plastic. Electricity cannot pass through plastic.